Yes! Ang ganda naman! Dapat picture mo na! Picture mo na! Oo, dyan. Picture mo na!
Saan siya? Saan siya?
Oh! Okay.
Sorry.
Wala. Ay, kabila. Kabila.
Jay, gitna ka, Jay.
Picture ka lang. Jay, Mars, sa gitna ako.
Ano ba? Picture ba mo?
Okay, picture.
Gulo ka naman.
Ethics,
Ate sa here.
here.
Sa pa, ate. Sa pa.
Here. Ganda.
Ganda.
Sino ka ba?
Yan!
Oh, go. Go pa.
Picture ka daw sana. Picture mo na. Grabe naman!
Grabe naman ito,
Kasama!
Wait lang po, picture mo.
Ago. Ready na.
Ready na, oh. Ito na.
Yun naman pala.
Dito. Here, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Okay. Wala. Record daw eh. Jisoo Live, wala. One more.
Ano yung interview na?
Isa.
Grabe naman! Ate ko!
Yeah. Okay.
Ano pala, guess?
Gusto mo ba yan?
Game.
Gusto mo yan? Go.
1, 2, 3, go. Go, Pao.
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon and I'm with Miss Universe Philippines 2025, Maria
Atisa
Atisa
Manalo.
Manalo. So Atisa, can you please share us kung ano yung gagawin mo sa Thailand ngayon?
Well, I was invited to go to Mr. International T1 hosting. This is my first international hosting.
Hindi ka papa.
And
Hindi
then
ba pa-
also on the 24th, I'm gonna visit the Miss Universe headquarters. Do a little bit of interview and then there's a photo shoot scheduled also. Hopefully I get to meet Anne and Nawan and everyone in the organization.
How do you feel right now?
I'm very excited. This is my third time going to Thailand. I'm
Yes.
excited to see it has changed a lot. I'm excited to eat their food also. I'm excited to see what is new in Thailand.
Hey.
Atisa, everyone's...
Yes.
At isa a chance na mamit mo si Vina Provinar.
I hope so. I do hope I meet her when I go there. Sana na-arrange.
Atisa, until when ka doon sa Thailand?
On I come on 26.
26.
I'm really just there for the hosting and visiting
Have you seen the candidates?
that.
Have you seen the candidates na?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
But I created a group chat already amongst all of us. But I only know them by name. They're not yet the face. I'm very excited.
For Mr. International, have you seen them na? The candidates?
Candidate for MI.
Oo.
Nakita ko may nag-propose. Pero sabihin pa
Sino?
Parang isa, hindi ka na namin, siguro hindi na natin pahabain.
Oo ba?
Like Maria Atisa Manalo and Hello Thailand. Yun na lang.
Maria
Atisa
Atisa
Manalo,
Manalo,
Hello Thailand.
Oh, sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka.
Oo.
Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go.
What do I say? This is Atisa Manalo and somebody.
Sawadee ka, Thailand. Okay,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
This is Atisa Manalo. Sawadee ka, Thailand.
One more pa. One more pa daw for safety.
This is Atisa Manalo. Sawadee ka, Thailand.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.